Okay guys, welcome to the channel by the way, and if you are new, you've not subscribed, please click the subscribe button, like and share. Now actually we did analysis about yesterday where we predicted that we'll be having a bullish move on our Euro USD. You can go back to watch it. I did it, it was on the 29th of September. I did the analysis. I saw some people came to my Facebook message telling me that no, we would actually have a drop. Early that morning we were having that drop, but later on, the news section and everything. So we ended up having the bullish move, right? Take a look at this bullish move, right? We actually have it. So we would want to see this price movement for today, which is on the 30th. So in order to be able to predict the price movement for today, which is on the 30th, I want us to actually take a look at it from this weekly time frame for better understanding. So to understand this properly, you will see this movement downward. There's only one movement we all can see on Euro USD, right? Weekly time frame, we are bearish. Now take a look at this. I want you to see something on here. Let's start from here. I won't start from top, but I'll start it from here. There was an impulse move downward. We all know if it is going down trend, you will see an impulse downward. Then a correction would be made, right? Another impulse move. You see this impulse move actually broke the previous lows, which is still an indication that we are still bearish. We are still on a downtrend. Then a correction was made. Then we had another bearish move, right, on our weekly time frame. So that this bearish move actually broke this previous lows now, right? Now we are to have a pullback, guys. So it is exactly what we are on this pullback. So is the pullback over? Close? No, it won't be over. I probably think it should be over today, which is on the 30th. Maybe as from next week, then we would actually have another drop again on our Euro USD. So on this weekly time frame, we are still on a bullish move. The pullback level is still not over. We would want to see the level at least come to take this previous pullback level. The pullback, once we add our price drop to this level, then a pullback actually occurred at this level, right? And it broke below. So we are seeing our Euro USD to come back to test, give us a pullback, and we want to see the pullback to test that level. So that's from here to there should be giving us about close to 100 pips. I am seeing 73 pips, but I still believe maybe we should clock 100 pips, but above all. So that is it that I'm saying. So weekly time frame we are still bullish. On this daily time frame that we talked about, we actually take a look at it. So this is the pullback level that was visible on our what do I call it weekly time frame. So this is the pullback level here. We saw the price came to this level, right, and it bounces up. Now take a look at it again. This price dropped to that same level, it bounces up, dropped to the same level, it bounces up, and guess what? Price broke below it. Of course, once you see that price has reacted at a level multiple times, guys, if price reacts at a level multiple times and it broke below it, we will definitely see that price come to test that level again. So it is exactly what I am seeing on Euro USD. So I am still seeing this Euro USD to actually come out to test this level before we actually have a drop. So as at this recent, when I'm doing this analysis, from here to this price where we'll be looking for, that's I am seeing 96 pips, close to 100 by the way. So close to 100. Let us just assume if you can grab 80 pips. Let us just say on an average, if you can grab 80 pips, I think that is enough. Then you can opt out. So daily time frame, as we closed bullish day before yesterday, as we predicted yesterday, we also closed bullish. Today also, I very much believe we would actually close bullish, and maybe a drop will occur, maybe a week. Who knows? But in order to now understand it better, we would run down to the 4-hour time frame. This is how we'll be expecting the trade to go. We also that this was an impulse move, right, on the pullback level. Now take a look at it. We once at this pullback level from here. So price dropped to this lowest level here. So we had a pullback level. All of a sudden, this price actually dropped, right? It dropped massively. So we saw this impulse move again. We know that we are on a pullback level, which is a bullish move, and that bullish move, we should have higher highs and higher lows. So this was the previous higher highs, then higher lows occurred, which was deep. So we had another higher highs. This higher highs broke this previous higher highs, still an indication that we are on an uptrend move. Then we had a correction, and now another higher highs has happened, guys. So what I believe might happen next is kind of like a pullback. that should be happening after the pullback. Then another impulse move should come to take out this our level we just highlighted on daily time frame. You can see on this 4-hour time frame, price has reacted at this level multiple times. You can see here. So I can show you definitely that this price will come to that same level again, and once the price comes to that level again, then it will drop again. So I can show you that Euro USD will actually come to that level, then a drop should occur. But will it just go straight to that level is what I can't really tell, guys. We might just have it, go bullish straight up to hit that our level we are talking about, right? It can also come to this level here. A pullback should occur. After the pullback, then another impulse move upward to take out this level. So guys, Euro USD, I still believe on this 30 we would actually go bullish. So watch out for it. And let's watch for 1 hour time frames as well. Still by the way, still same kind of movement on our 4-hour time frame, right? You can see this impulse move here. A little bit of a correction. I think this is a huge impulse move on the 1 hour time frame. So maybe if you want to enter this trade, maybe a correction should happen here. Maybe on the 1 hour time frame, it comes here, tap this two level here. We saw the price came to this level, dropped. We saw it also came close to the level and dropped. So I believe that on this 1 hour time frame, once you're having a pullback, we should have the pullback to this same level on our Euro USD. Then a rally movement upward should be made. So if you want to take this trade, maybe roll down to the 1 hour time frame. By the time of the opening of London section or within London section, maybe we should have had this pullback. So maybe when the New York session has opened, then we should start seeing that rally movement on our Euro USD. But above all, guys, daily time frame, we should expect to close bullish again for the day.